If your facial hair is driving you bananas and you hate the pimples, the irritation, the dark spots that never go away, stay right here because everything you've been told about hair removal is making it worse. Dr. Yuval Bibi, Dermatologist, mission: break you out of the skincare matrix and get you the best skin of your life. The average American woman spends $225,000 on skincare in her lifetime, with a significant chunk dedicated to fixing razor and hair removal problems. That stops today. The majority of women I see in clinic with bumps around the chin and the neck, irritation, dark blemishes, and discoloration have one thing in common. They're using techniques that pull at the skin aggressively. Plucking, tweezing, epilators. Every time you pluck or tweeze, you're not just removing a hair. You're yanking at the skin that's surrounding that hair, creating a traumatic event around every single follicle, every single time. The skin doesn't care how careful you are in response to the physics of being pulled. Epilators are just industrial version of the same abuse. Hundreds of tiny tweezers. At speed, your skin doesn't stand a chance. And here's what the industry will never tell you. The more you scrub and exfoliate to fix it, the worse the bumps and the discoloration get. You're not buffing away at the problem. You are deepening it. The technique is the problem. Stay with me. Here's why it never gets better. Constant pulling creates a cycle of inflammation, known clinically as pseudofolliculitis. This resolves in post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the dark spots you hate. That's not dirt. That's not clogged pores. That's your skin's inflammatory response left behind, like a scar from a fight you keep picking. Your skin is not an eraser board. Scrubbing makes it worse. Exfoliating inflamed skin is throwing gasoline on a fire. The industry sells you the gasoline in the fire in the same set. Stop scrubbing, stop exfoliating. The rogue dermatologist just told you so. So what actually works? Techniques that are the least abrasive and target the hair follicle specifically. Laser hair removal. Least abrasive, quickest, longer lasting. Works for most skin types, even darker ones. One limitation: dark hairs only. And do this with a dermatologist supervising, not a spa technician. Something goes wrong at your next spa visit, the dermatologist is your next stop anyways. Keep it under the same roof at the start. Threading. Excellent for finer hairs over small areas. Eyebrows, lower lip, upper lip. Precise and far less traumatic than tweezing. Electrolysis, the original permanent hair removal. Targets hair follicles directly, gold standard for permanent results. Can be time consuming, but it works. Choose based on your hair type and preference. There's no one size fits all, but there's definitely a wrong answer. And you already know what it is. Preparation is everything. Your skin must be as healthy as possible going into hair removal. No cleansing, no exfoliation in the days before. In fact, almost ever. They both strip the barrier and set you up for exactly the type of reaction you're hoping to avoid. What you should be doing instead: build the barrier up on the days leading up to the hair removal session. Moisturize aggressively with an oil-based moisturizer like Butter Oasis or Butter Blossom on the days leading up to hair removal. Occlusive, barrier building, no fragrance, no noise. Link in the description. In the night before, slug. Butter Oasis pressed over the face before you sleep. Complete occlusive seal overnight. Your barrier rebuilds itself. You wake up with a skin that can handle what's coming. After your session, same approach. Protect your skin at all costs. No cleansing, no new serums, no exfoliation. Let the skin be. Same balm, same thin layer, same seal. Let your biology do the rest. Still experiencing persistent bumps or discoloration over hair removal areas? See your board-certified dermatologist. Your problem may be more severe than you'd originally realized, and it may require prescription medications to manage effectively. Your skin's a miracle of creation. Every bump, every blemish, that's your skin's reaction to techniques never designed with its biology in mind. Now you know better. The industry built a $225,000 problem. You just found the exit. Let me know in the comment section how your razor bumps, dark blemishes, and other issues pertaining to hair removal improved after watching this video. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.